everybody, thank you so much for clicking on this video. It is me, Kiki from Team Reese Travels, and we're getting ready to go to Sea Day Brunch, y'all. So come on, come with us. We finna go enjoy Sea Day Brunch. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys how it works when you need to get a reservation for like Sea Day Brunch, or even for if you're checking in for like breakfast in the morning. So if you, oh no, I don't want this. I just clicked on something I didn't want on accident. So right now, this morning, we went into the food and drink section on the app, and you go to where it says what restaurant you want to go to. Like it says Sea Day Brunch for us. You go there and you hit reserve a table, and then you get notified how long it's going to take for your table to be available. Our wait was a 10 to 20 minute wait, and so now we're down to less than 10 minutes, but that's how you can avoid waiting out in the hallway. When you get here, you can just kind of check in and just come when it's time for your table to be ready. How you feeling this morning, RJ? Hungry? What are you going to eat? Pancakes and what else?
Bacon,
That's
eggs, bacon.
Everything, huh?
And a biscuit.
So I will say, when we checked in, it said it would be a 10 to 20 minute wait. It's been 22 minutes now, and we're still waiting. So it's a little off on the timing. We'll see how long it actually takes. So they do have the menu available online too. So I'll show you guys that on the app. Where'd it go? There it is, view menu. So I have these fresh pressed juices that are only $5. And then everything else is included, I believe. So a bunch of different breads, cereals, parfait, some breakfast burgers with fries, a house special, which is a skillet cake, French toast, huevos, rancheros, all these different brunch classics, frittatas, salads. Oh, they have fried chicken, steak and eggs. That sounds good too. Salmon superfood salad, brunch spaghetti. That's different. Fettuccine. It all sounds really good. Oh, they have a few things that you can pay for too, like peel and eat shrimp, lobster benedict. They have some side dishes, lots of stuff. Kids meals, cookies. Oh, they have dessert. Or they have cookies, cake. Y'all, I had coffee yesterday and it was real good, so I'm about to have some coffee.
What do you want, Mommy?
I want some juice. I think he already know what he wants. We didn't see like pancakes on here. Do you have just regular pancakes?
We have the skillet cake.
Okay, can he get that with nothing on it? Okay. So guys, I'm gonna try this huevos rancheros and the 12-hour French toast. RJ's getting the skillet cake plain and some sausage. And you want the biscuit too?
Yeah.
Okay. So they have this special birthday Bellini available for Carnival's 50th birthday. Wait, I don't know if I mentioned that. We're on the ship during Carnival's 50th birthday celebration. So this birthday Bellini is $9.95 and it comes with Shinola, passion fruit liqueur, orange juice, and prosecco. That sounds good, y'all. I might actually order that. The skillet cake, right?
The skillet cake, but nothing on it.
Yeah, the plain skillet cake plain.
Can I have sides of sausage and honey butter biscuit?
Oh, they do have bacon, RJ. You want bacon instead of sausage? Oh, you want the sausage?
Bacon and with the
Okay,
honey
bacon
butter
and
biscuit.
Okay, bacon.
And the honey butter biscuit. Yep. And I'm gonna have the huevos rancheros and the 12-hour French toast. You want dessert?
Yeah, I want the ashcore cookie.
Assorted cookies. I know I want the lemon ricotta cookie. What cookie do you want, RJ?
Chocolate.
Oh, I don't see chocolate. We'll go to the buffet and get the chocolate cookies, okay? So just the lemon ricotta cookies. Thank you. Your baby food coming. Thank you. Okay, everybody, the food has arrived. RJ got his skillet cake with bacon and a biscuit. I have the huevos rancheros, which is basically a chicken tortilla with eggs on top and some salsa. And I got this French toast, house French toast. And it's got, or 12-hour French toast is what it's called. And it's got roasted peaches in it. It looks good and it smells great. How's your food so far, RJ?
Good.
Good. What'd you taste? What'd you eat? Oh, pancakes. Pancakes are pretty good. I'm getting ready to try this French toast. You can really taste the peaches in this French toast, and it's not like stuffed in it. It must be just like made into the batter or something. Oh, that's good. I'm gonna try this huevos rancheros. It is a runny egg, so if you don't like runny eggs, make sure you let them know you don't want a runny egg on it. But yeah, it does come runny. So look away if you don't like runny eggs. This is what it looks like. I like that too. I wanted to give y'all a view of what the food looks like now that I cut into it. That's the huevos rancheros. So like I was saying, it is a runny egg. And then that's the inside of the French toast. And it doesn't have like peaches stuffed in it, but it tastes like it does. Like, it's really good. Alright guys, so we are back in our room after Sea Day Brunch. I think brunch is pretty good. What'd you think, RJ?
Amazing.
Amazing. RJ thinks everything is amazing.
Like, I literally tried the biscuit. It's the best. I really love it.
RJ did have pancakes and biscuits. But I had that huevos rancheros, which was good, but it was not hot. It was not warm at all. And I think that because they have so many meals they were trying to prepare at the same time. It was very busy in there. They had so many things that they were trying to prepare at the same time and bring out. I did notice that because they were bringing out so much food for so many different tables at the same time, that sometimes stuff had to kind of sit there and wait while they handed other things out first. And so I think that's what happened with my huevos rancheros. And y'all know eggs. Like, eggs are just not good cold. It's not an item. They have to be hot to taste good. And I... Even saying that, the food did taste good, but eggs need to be hot. I don't even know how else to put it. The eggs got to be hot. You can't be eating them room temperature. So while it was good, I would not order it again for that reason. The French toast though, bomb. I would definitely order that over and over and over again. That was good. And I'm not a breakfast sweet eater. I normally choose like the huevos rancheros or a frittata or a omelet, things like that are like egg based and savory type breakfast foods. But I ordered that. It was a sweeter item and it was very good. Now I was too full. We didn't even stick around for the dessert option. I had ordered that lemon ricotta cookie. I didn't make it. I was tired. I was like, I had the itis. I was ready to go. We had to go look at our pictures. and I didn't stick around for the dessert, so I can't tell you how good that was, but the rest of the food was good. Just I would not recommend that you order that huevos rancheros because it was cold. Any other thoughts, RJ? Biscuits were good. Bacon was good. Pancake was good. Yeah, so if you have kids who like pancakes like mine, they don't actually have pancakes on the menu. It says skillet cake, and it comes with all this other stuff on it, compote and cream and stuff. RJ don't want none of that. He just want plain pancakes with syrup. So you just tell him you want that skillet cake with syrup.
Or chocolate chip.
Or chocolate chip. They didn't have chocolate chip though.
Or blueberry.
I didn't know you like blueberry pancakes. You like blueberry pancakes? Oh, okay, good to know. Well, yeah, that's the option if you want pancakes for you or for your kids. So thank you again if you're new here for clicking on this video. If you are not new here, welcome back. Please come back and join us again. Go ahead and hit that like button, please, if you liked what you see, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time we post a video. And until the next vlog, Team Reese all day. What'd you say, RJ?
I'm talking about the ladies.
Okay, close it out.
Hey, ladies, what's up?
Bye, guys.